I just got a few minutes. I've got to go.
Good morning.
What I brought you to see, this is the final version. It's the first power unit of the production line. With its wires, and that's the whole pack. Weighs 900 grams. We've been testing it whole day this morning since 11 o'clock. So the car unit will be a single wire, and this is the first one of the production. We have to check before they finish the rest.
Congratulations, Mr. Keshe.
Well, we promise you it does. It needs 3 weeks to settle fully, but the car unit is the same, and it does what we said, up to 2 to 3 kilowatts of non-resistive, and it does work up to 60–70% of resistive, which will bring it down to maximum more or less 100% in the coming weeks. But this is what the ambassadors will take with them.
Very nice.
Very simple, and that's all you're going to see. If you want to take a picture for Thursday, we can show it. And this is a final production. I mean, that's the final kit.
And this is the one that you can kick and throw everywhere?
Pardon?
You can kick this one around like a football?
Harder. But please don't kick it. It's 1 kilo if you want to kick. It is virtually, as you see it, it's a totally sealed box with 2 wires. The American version will be white. The European world version will be in blue, because the American version is fire resistive. We cannot produce it in anything but white or black to comply with the American regulation.
All righty.
So you see it, and we've been testing it for nearly 3–4 hours, and we tested in different circuits all the measurements, and this is the final version. And we think we can reduce it by another 50% in the coming weeks. But this is the beginning. So what we promised, we deliver, and now it's totally the final version. People can do whatever they like on the end. And we explain what you can do on the end in the ambassadorial presentation. So at least carry on teaching, and we'll try to see what we do with the next one. Any questions? Don't ask me to open it up. No.
So you look like you got a male and a female.
No, there is no male or no female.
No. I mean the plug-in. The plug-in.
You got to take it to give. You can't be one way only.
The plug-in
anyway,
looks like it has a distaff and a prong.
No problem. So we've seen the final version, and this is without anything else. Nobody can damage it. It's more or less damage-proof, unless you go with a hacksaw on it. So at least as we usually break everything with the students who are knowledge seekers, now you've seen it. It's in the final steps. And we are on target. It will be delivered to the ambassadors on Friday, and all the deliveries will be met up to 1 million pieces in November. So we can meet, but there is a huge review on the price, which we have to see how they're going to review the prices. They're going to drop drastically. We drop the price up to 50% plus in the coming weeks. So, but I brought it for you to see what we promised we do, we done, and now, Ahmed, I think you're taking 1 to 3 presidents. You better have a look at it. So we'll see what happens. Okay, anyway, we've done what we said, and at least, as usual, you see the final product. And if you want, I can throw it up as well, but a lot of people don't like it. You can do whatever you like with it. It's solid state. Nothing can go wrong with it. I've seen a video done by the Italians. They say he kicks it, and he picks it up. Now you can actually kick it as well, but nothing happens. So it's solid state, total solid. Nothing going to go wrong with it. Anyway, I've got to go and finish my work. I'm disturbed, but it's a good disturbance. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Keshe.